In this video, I will show you the workflow of a confirmation agreement. Now that a provider has been found and accepted for the assignment request, the rest of this assignment will be handled within the confirmation agreement. Both the HCO and vendor, as well as LocumSmart, have visibility of the confirmation agreement. So we'll start by looking at the confirmation agreement from the perspective of the HCO. So from the main dashboard, I will click on Workflow and then on Confirmations. By default, the statuses are set for active and pending. So if I wanted to see all of the confirmation agreements, I can click on All. And now I will see all confirmation agreements at all statuses. I'll go back to active and pending. And just a note that pending means that the assignment hasn't started yet. So we'll go ahead and select this first confirmation agreement by clicking on the link. And now this will bring us to the details page. Notice on the left-hand side, we can also jump to other pages very quickly by just clicking on them. We have the calendar, we can go to shifts, timesheets, invoices, and then the comments. Once again, this is just a quick way to jump to some of those other pages. On the details page, we have confirmation dates, the provider information, as well as the vendor. Our facilities are listed right here. We have signatures, and then at the bottom we have the rates. One thing to notice is this revise button. This is where either party can go in to propose revisions to the rates. Each change is time-stamped with the name of the person who made the change, as well as those who approved or rejected the changes. All changes must be accepted by both parties before it is changed in the confirmation agreement. You'll notice the other tabs we have at the top. We have Request, Call, Questions, and Documents. On the Request tab, you'll see all the information that was included in the assignment request. So this is always useful as a reference. The Call tab. The Call tab only appears if the assignment includes call as one of the provider's responsibilities. The Questions tab is only visible to the HCO since it refers to billing insurance information. And finally, we have the Documents tab. The Documents section shows all of the files that must be submitted in order for the assignment to move forward. So you'll notice the statuses on a lot of these documents. Here we have submitted, approved, and then we have required to move to active. Submitted means the HCO has not yet approved a document that has been submitted by the vendor. The HCO can go in and double-click to download the file, and once they have reviewed the document, they can either approve or reject the document. If we reject a document, we will have to add a reason as well as details so the vendor knows how to make this document acceptable. Go ahead and hit cancel. Approved means the document has been approved by the HCO. And required to move to active means this document must be submitted and approved before the assignment can start. To add documents, we can either click on Attach, and this will allow you to attach any files that have already been uploaded to LocumSmart. If a document hasn't been uploaded to LocumSmart, we'll click on the Upload button, and we can click on the Browse button to find the file on our computer, or you can also drop and drag your file right into this section. In the top right, you'll see the Download option. If we select a Download PDF, that will download the entire confirmation agreement as a PDF, or if we want to download all the documents, we can select those here. If we've made any changes to the confirmation agreement, we'll want to be sure to click Save. So this confirmation agreement will stay in the pending status until the necessary documents have been submitted and the provider has started their first day of work. At this point, the vendor or HCO can change the status to active by clicking on the drop-down and changing to active. Once the confirmation agreement is active, all work will be done within this confirmation agreement, including adding shifts, leaving comments, as well as adding timesheets and creating invoices. As always, it's a best practice to use the comments tool when communicating with either party or LocumSmart. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact our live chat team or email support@locumsmart.net. Thank you and have a great day.